Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yuri. I'm a cabin crew. So for today's vlog, we just landed here in Hong Kong. This is my first flight, this 2026, and we landed current time here in Hong Kong is 9:50 in the morning. In Abu Dhabi time, it's 5:51 in the morning. For today's layover, guys, come join me in my 57 hours layover here in Hong Kong. I did for this flight, specifically for the long layover, but last December I have one Hong Kong flight that was like 32 hours layover, and I didn't do much. No, basically I went out as well, but I didn't took a lot of videos. So because I said I'm going back next year, so this year 2026, so I will show you another room tour because I did a video as well for the room tour on my last visit here, but the view was the seaside. Now my view is like in the front, so let me show you. This is my view now. This is the bed. There's TV like that, and yeah, fridge, coffee, tea. This is me. This is the bathroom, and this lights up. No? See? My god, I love the sun, and the weather is nice. I think the weather is like 13 degrees. It's 13 degrees here in Hong Kong. So for now I'm just going to sleep, but honestly I'm not sleepy. I still have a lot of energy. I think because I came from leave, that's why. guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Yuri, and for today's vlog we are in Hong Kong and time check now is 11:55 in the morning. It's going to be afternoon, so I'm going out. When I landed yesterday, I just sleep and then went out to eat dinner and came back to the hotel. And now I'm going to the city. One of the crew, she's already in the city, so we're going to meet, but let's see. I didn't plan anything to do here in Hong Kong now, and it's a little bit cold last night, but today let's check the weather. It's like 18 degrees. Yeah, so it's a little bit sunny now. I'll show you here. So let's go. Okay guys, fit check. Welcome to Hong Kong.
Pero last month and this month, wala. Ikaw lang yung kalipad ko na Filipina. Ako lagi ako may kalipad na Pinay. Usually ako din. Hindi ko nga din alam bakit this month wala. Wala na mga oras.
Matcha.
And can I also get a chocolate fondant? That's it for now.
We want this one.
I will try to bid for the actual flight. Because ito yung pila sa isa.
Girl, dun sa tungkong. Walang pila. Tsaka dun sa may kaya sa PSP, maagang nauubos. Dun sa may shuttle bus natin, go.
Kailangan pala one side natin. Baba ka ng Pwede naman tayo bumaba dyan.
Pasko pa rin. Hindi ba nagtatagal? Okay. Ayun nga, makataas, sister. Tingnan mo daw.
Kaya kaya natin pumasok dun sa presinto.
Oh, tara. At least nandito na tayo eh.
Wala na kasi ang
Ayun na nga.
we can either do the tram. What if nandito yung
Dito. Screenshot na lang.
here's the view babe if you want that. From the
Mamaya.
sky terrace.
Okay.
Kasi ito mas okay ito kasi po yung window.
Kesa doon.
Kaya sa itong side yung may print. Yung itong side wala siya.
Pababa ba dito? Pababa dito? Dito na yan? Sige, mamaya na lang.
Ganyan. Bili na ako nung nakaraan. Punta na din daw sila eh.
Nabubulag ako, wala akong makita.
May sunglasses ako para makita mo yung ano mo. Para
Uy! She's wondering. Grabe. Buwis buhay ka, kuya. You know. Ako na lang.
Get mo na ba ito sa bagay? You guys were fine.
Is ang goal makaupo.
Yung goal makaupo.
Doon tayo sa kabilang side.
Dito pa din.
hot, my love.
Hot. Okay, I'm ready.
Hi guys, welcome. More intro na naman, mali. Hi guys, so nakauwi tayo ng hotel 23:22. It's like 11:22 in the evening. As you can see outside, it's already nighttime. And yeah, ang dami namin pinuntahan today. Sakit ng paa ko. Kailangan kong maglagay ng patches. And before I went back to my hotel, I brought ice cream for dessert and milk for tomorrow. And I have a takeout from Vision Bakery. I think it's a famous bakery here in Hong Kong because one of the crew that I went with, she's Filipina as well. She said that this one is famous as well and it's good. So yeah, I brought 2 pastries. I will eat this tomorrow, so I'll just make a video on eating this so you can see. But let me show you if I can show you now. It's like the other one is like the best selling is matcha, and this one, the other one is like it has a Fuji name as well with cream puff inside. So yeah, and for today I will just eat my ice cream. This one. This is my dessert. So, hello guys. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina nung pagkagising ko. Cause, mga late na ako. Nagising mga 12 in the afternoon. And then, hindi na rin ako lumabas. Kinain ko na lang yung pastries na binili ko kagabi. And, cereals, milk, coffee. Hindi ko alam. Pero lalagay ko dito, naka 19,000 steps ata ako yesterday. So, today, hindi na ako lumabas. Napagod ata ako kahapon. So, I will end this layover vlog now because maya-maya bababa na ako. Ready na ako for my flight back to Abu Dhabi. If you guys enjoy this layover or this vlog, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more layover vlogs and more about crew life. And thank you guys for watching. Until my next layover. Bye!